Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox Executor on iOS. To begin this process, you will first need access to a personal computer, either a Mac or a Windows machine. You will also need a stable internet connection and a reliable Lightning to USB cable to connect your iOS device. This method bypasses the standard App Store installation, requiring a few additional steps for third-party application deployment. This approach is the only consistent way to install unsigned applications. Before proceeding, download and install a reputable sideloading tool onto your computer. Examples include AltStore or Sideloadly, which are essential for signing application files. You will also need to locate the specific application file, often referred to as an IPA file, for the Roblox Executor you wish to install. Verify that this file is compatible with your iOS device's current operating system version, typically iOS 15 or newer, to ensure proper functionality. Once your tools are ready, connect your iOS device to your computer using the USB cable. Open your chosen sideloading utility, then drag and drop the Executor's IPA file into the application. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation, which typically involves entering your Apple ID and password. This action digitally signs the application, allowing it to run on your device outside the App Store environment. The installation usually takes a few minutes. Remember, sideloaded applications require regular refreshing, usually every 7 days, to prevent them from expiring and becoming unusable. Failing to do so will require you to reinstall the application. It is crucial to understand that using any third-party executor with Roblox carries significant risks, including potential account suspension or permanent bans. Always exercise extreme caution regarding the source of your IPA files to protect your device from security threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.